Well, my dear participants, today I am going to talk about documentation with latex using knit-r. Knit-r is a package of R developed by ZY. So here I am going to talk about that only. Uh, mm, yes. So this is the document which I have made, but before that I would like to talk something about how these things are being opened. See, the first thing is that we go into the file, then new file, and then we have to search for not R markdown, we have to search for rsweave. So this has been opened. Now document class is article, begin document, end document. So this is what we have. Then actually, say for example, in document class article we have section and subsection. So section, introduction to R, and say we are writing R is a language as well as document as well as software. And we can run this, Control S. So I have to give, it is in document 2. So I have to give this file name, say try2, and I will save this. Here try2 has been saved, try2.rnw, and if we want to run this, we have to require knit-r and then knit to PDF, and here it is try2.rnw. We are waiting for the results. So we are not getting the result, so we will stop it by clicking here, and we have to, this sweep opt comes, so we have to remove this. We have to remove this, and then you have to control S, and then we will go to, then PDF has been generated. So you saw this sweep options that has been, and see this is try to, so a very small document has been created. A very small document has been created. But see, before going to these things, I would like to tell you that what softwares you need to install. And the first software is netar install.packages, and then you have to install netar you have to install. So then you have to install, actually to get PDF you have to install a smart version of Latex, and which can be installed using, in the first lecture I have told about these things, but I would like to revise these things today also, because I am talking in terms of documentation specific. See what happens, that this source file gets converted into .tex file, the LaTeX file, and then it generates the document. So to convert this into LaTeX in .tex file, netar package is required. But to get the PDF, we have to install MicTeX. But instead of MicTeX, we have another version of a smart version of MicTeX, which is available on the home page of the rsweave-1. rsweave-1 has provided a smart version of the MicTeX, which can be installed using the package tinytex. So we have to install packages and tinytex. So I have installed tinytex, then require our library tinytex, because this library contains a function tinytex. ठीक है, हाँ? So to install a smart version of LaTeX, what we have to do, we have to install, you have to use the function of tinytex, and that is install underscore tinytex, and here you have to press, and yes, we have to continue. So it will download and install a smart version of LaTeX, which is available from the rsweave-1's home page, http://yhui.org. So this is installing tinytex. We have to wait until prompt comes. We have to wait until prompt comes. This is a 109 MB file, and we have to wait until prompt comes. Yes. Make sure that your system is connected to internet, because it is updating certain packages of Latex. We have to wait until it goes to the prompt. Yes, now it has been installed. Now we can use require knit r and yes, and the function is knit to PDF, and here the file name is try2.rnw, and this has generated this file try2.rnw. So this is the document has been generated. Now I would like to close this document, and first I would like to show you that how additional commands are there in this document. Document 2.rnw. See, here it is document class article. One thing you must note regarding LaTeX, that it always begins with a slash, its command, and here we use curly brackets, not parentheses like R. So here document class article. If you have document class book, you can have document class book. You have report, then you have to write report. Then use package, these are the packages of LaTeX. Author year, nat bib. Author year, these are the optional, and nat bib is to create bibliography. Then begin document, and in the end we write end document. And then what we have to do, after begin document you have to write the title, and that is title of data analysis with R. And then author Ali Khan, email Athar Khan. Here title, begin document and end document is the environment of the whole document. Begin document and end document. So this is the environment of the whole document. And then we write slash title. So this has to be printed in the title, data analysis with R. Then author Ali Khan. Then this double slashes stand for the new line character, and that new line character shows that it will be printed in the new line, and that is email atharkhan 1962 @gmail.com. And then make title. make title. So this part will make the title. Make title is the function of latex. And then table of contents, we need to print the table of contents. So here slash table of contents. Then section, introduction to R, this will be the section. R is a language as well as software. Site, site, R base, I will talk about how to create a bibliography. Site R base. There is a package known as site R, knit R, which is meant for documentation as well as computation together. There is a book on survivor analysis site, Moore 2016 applied. So this is to cite this book of Moore. It has the following features. Then we are having itemize, begin itemize, end itemize. So this is the itemize environment, and this is the item. It has an open source software and can be downloaded from internet. It is a functional language. Then item, it has graphics features. Its graphic features are very effective. Then end itemize. And then we are having another section, creation. Now I would like to run this document to get these results. So here knit to PDF, knit to PDF, and the file name is document2.rnw. This is the source file, document2.rnw. Oh, it might be open. No. First, I would like to close this and then I will open the whole document. First, I will try to close, because sometimes it becomes the problem of path also. So here this is the document. Open RStudio, just one. Yes, now require knit R, then knit to PDF, and then in double quotes we have to write the file name, and that is document2.rnw. It has generated .tex file. Okay, I will check what is the problem. But I would like to open this file RNW, and here I would like to add the things. First I would like to run this, require knit R and then knit to PDF and then try2.rnw. So it has generated the PDF file. Now suppose I want to add something, like after begin document, we have to add something, say for example title, title, title. So here I will write the title, introduction to R. So this is the title, introduction to R, and after that I am writing author, AUTHOR, author. So author name is Athar Ali Khan, and then new line character, email Athar Khan 1962 @gmail.com. So this is, and then institutional address AMU Aligarh, India. So now after that, see what we have to do, author's name, then we can have, see just I would like to look from the here, begin document, title, author, and then make title, then make title, make title, make title. Now we will generate the PDF document with again the same command C. Now what we have got, changes in the PDF. See, introduction to R, this is the title, and then Athar Ali Khan, email AMU Aligarh, date is already there, then introduction to R, then R is a language as well as software. Suppose we want this title, introductory statistics with R, and that too in the bold face. This we want in the bold face, and the title we want to keep introductory statistics with R. So what we have to do? First we have to close this PDF. First we have to close this PDF. Then we will go into here in the title, the command for text BF. This is the bold face, text/text BF. It will start with the curly bracket and it will end with the curly bracket. So this text introductory, suppose the title is introductory statistics with R. So these things we have changes. Now we can run this, Control S save, Control 2 and go to. So now we have changes, and just see, it has come introductory statistics with R and it has come into the bold face. Now suppose first thing we will have to close, and then what we want? After this we want table of contents, table of contents. So table of contents we want, and we will save. Then we will again go to this and we will run, and we will open this document, and we are having here, see, contents, table of content, introduction to, this is the page number, introduction to R, introduction to R, this is the heading. And see, now we will add in this. First thing is that we will have to close this, otherwise if you keep open then it will create a problem. And then I am adding something more. Suppose I am just getting this document, and from here we are adding this table of contents. Suppose we want this section, this whole section I am copying, or suppose, yes, suppose you go to try now as well as software, and suppose we have a subsection, and that is introduction to R, a subsection, and that is itemize contents. This is the subsection, itemize contents. Now here we have the following features of R. Then here, since we want to keep it in optimizing, so we have to create an environment, and that is begin itemize, and end itemize. Begin itemize and end itemize. Now here we have to give the item with slash item, and that item, inside the item we want, it is a very small but very smart language. This is the first item. Second item, it can be freely downloaded from internet. See, we have written 2 items, and now we are running the whole document. Control S, Control 2, and we will go and we will run. See, now the PDF document has been modified. See, table of contents. See, here in the table of contents, now introduction to R, and then subsection, itemize content, itemize contents. This is the main heading, this is the subheading, this is the main section, and this is the subsection. And we have the following features of R, and that is, it is a very small but very smart language. It can be freely downloaded from internet. So this way we are adding in the document. Now in my next lecture, I shall continue on documentation with the LaTeX.